Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Compass. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.